Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. Notifications are short messages that you see on top of your screen. These are sent by apps on your phone for sharing information with you. They can have important information or can be for marketing. They disappear from the screen in a few seconds but are still present in the notification bar until you clear it. Having many notifications can make it harder to find important information, and it also makes your phone slower. In this episode, let's see how to clear notifications. To see all the notifications, swipe down from the top of your screen. Find the notification you want to remove and then swipe left to right. This will remove one notification at a time. You can choose to remove all the notifications at once by tapping on Clear All. On iPhone and some other Android phones, the icons might look different, but the process is similar. It's a good habit to clear all notifications at least once every day to keep your phone healthy. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can call us to know more about such tips. We also help seniors with any tasks like home delivery of grocery, medicines, or movie tickets, planning a vacation, online payments, anything that seniors need. Just tell us and we'll get it done just like your children. You can call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411 or download our app. The link is in the description of this video. We are eagerly waiting to hear from you. Thank you and see you again soon.